In this video, we're going to look at some of the parking tools available to us within Autodesk Vehicle Tracking. Autodesk Vehicle Tracking ships with all of the relevant Australian standards to begin all of your parking layout design, AS 2890.1 and AS 2890.6. We select the parking standard we wish to apply and any surfaces we wish to apply it to and hit OK. A very simple, intuitive UI lets us build out our parking rows very quickly. We can select different bay angles, different vehicle classes and flow directions, and all we do is come in and start to sketch our alignments on screen. As you can see, as we're moving around, vehicle tracking is actually optimizing the amount of parking spaces as per the design standards we've specified. We come back and we select whether we want to apply the bays outside or inside of our control. In this case, we've gone inside. And similar to the roundabout tools, the parking layout tools create a geometrically constrained object. As you can see, I can pick up my object and move it afterwards, and all of the bays resize to conform to the design standards. We're going to add a new row in the center here, and we're going to run it parallel to that existing edge, just using standard AutoCAD tools. And we'll select both sides. Once again, similar to the outer row, we can actually come and stretch our bays. We can start to add skew. So with our preliminary layout in place, we can now come and look at making edits to the model and make it more customized to your needs. Through the Parking Standard Explorer, we can actually come and make some edits. We can change things like our layers, our line types, our colors. What we're doing is actually just changing the offsets to the adjacent bays. As we go OK and apply, we can see our changes update on screen. What we can do from here is we can actually edit some of the bays individually. To do that, we simply select the bay we want to edit. In this case, we're going to change this bay to a disabled bay. Now you can see it's actually changed the style of it. We now have a handicap marking in it, and we can simply copy that bay style to other bays throughout our layout. Now you can see something's missing from these bays. We actually need a shared zone in between. So back into our Parking Standard Explorer, we're going to select our disabled bay and add a safety zone. As you can see, the changes immediately update on screen. And finally, for reporting, simple click of a button gives us a parking bay report, counts the number of bays and breaks them up into which bay type we've actually specified.